indicated. At 1:35 p.m., damage winds and large hail were reported near Addison in Washington County, Virginia. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Saltville, Chinnoy, Lansing, Mouth of Wilson, Mount Rogers National Recreation Area, and Whitetop. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Local heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in fogging of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and take precautions to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page or Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties: Grayson, Virginia. Severe thunderstorm warning for southern Vance County and central North Carolina, southern Granville County and central North Carolina, northern Wake County and central North Carolina, western Franklin County and central North Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wake Forest, Oregon, 8 miles southeast of Creedmoor, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Creedmoor, Lewisburg, Wake Forest, Butner, Franklinton, Kittrell, Youngsville, and Stem. Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Mecklenburg County, southeastern Prince Edward County, Lunenburg County, southwestern Nottoway County, northwestern Brunswick County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilesburg, or 7 miles northwest of Chase City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Kells Corner and Rehoboth around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Victoria and Lunenburg around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cambridge around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Blackstone around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fort Barfoot around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Bacon's Fork, Irby, Wilburn, Prince Edward Station, Spanish Grove, Briery, Gills Corner, Arvin Store, Murdoch's, and Twin Lakes State Park. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Caswell County, northeastern Rockingham County, southeastern Pittsylvania County, the city of Danville, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. At 5:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Danville, Providence, Blair's, Mayfield, Gatewood, Westover Hills, Ringgold. This includes the following locations: Danville Airport. This includes the following streams and drainages: Dan River, Birch Creek, King Creek, Big Toby Creek, Chodas Creek, and Barker Creek.
Shut up.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Caswell County until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Yanceyville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yanceyville, Bethel, Providence, Milton, Blanche, Leesburg, and Hammer. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County, Warren County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kittrell, or near Henderson, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Warrington, Norlina, Littleton, Kittrell, Middleburg, Macon, Gilbert, Afton, and Steel Creek Marina and Campground. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Vance and Warren. Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Willamette County in central North Carolina, Person County in central North Carolina, Orange County in central North Carolina, southeastern Guilford County in central North Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms across eastern Guilford to Person County around Roxborough, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chapel Hill, Burlington, Graham, Roxborough, Hillsborough, Carrboro, Mebane, Elon, Concord, and Gibsonville. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chesterfield County in central Virginia, southeastern Lunenburg County, central Nottoway County, Dinwiddie County, southeastern Amelia County in central Virginia, northern Brunswick County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Barfoot, or near Blackstone, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Dinwiddie around 7:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Bacon's Fork, North Wellville, Irby, Gills Corner, Addison, Earls, Ammon, Murdoch, Forkland, and Wharf Store. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Virginia, Brunswick, and Lunenburg. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greensville County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Mecklenburg County, southeastern Lunenburg County, the city of Emporia in southeastern Virginia, southwestern Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, Brunswick County, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Broadnecks, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lawrenceville around 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Purdy around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Cochran, Grizzard, Buford Crossroads, Lane's Corner, Dolphin, Bullen's Corner, Pleasant Shade, Slate's Corner, Emporia Reservoir, and Meredithville.